Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to make a new key for Kia Cerato 2018. Customer is lost his all keys. There are no keys now. It's locked. Just a minute. Let's go. This is the key which we bought it. So this is the key, original key which we are using on this Kia Cerato 2018. So key cutting is completed. So just let's go and test the key. Okay, as you can see, the number of current keys are 1 and we are turning off the ignition. There you go. Started. Lock, lock, unlock. Remove it. Let's go. So if you guys are also looking for any car keys, you can contact us. Key Pros Locksmith in Adelaide. You guys see you in the next video.